Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix the Roblox game client if it has stopped working. And please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So this ensures that you can get back to playing without errors. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will close your Roblox completely, including from the task manager on Windows or app switcher on mobile. And then next, what you will have to do is you will basically just have to restart your device, and then after starting your device you will just have to make sure that your Roblox app is updated to the latest version or your official Roblox website or your app store or whatever it is that you are using. And after that you will just have to check your Wi-Fi, your internet connection, and then you will just have to disable any VPNs or firewalls that may block Roblox. And finally, you will just have to reinstall your Roblox account or your Roblox website so if the problem persists. And then you will just have to open the app again and then try launching the game again. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.